एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल यूनिप्रेप। सो आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इग्नू के सॉल्व्ड असाइनमेंट्स फॉर द ईयर 2025 एंड दिस इज़ फॉर द लेटेस्ट जुलाई 2024 सेशन, जो कि अभी हमें मार्च में सबमिट करने हैं। सो आज का जो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है दैट इज़ फॉर BAG कोर्स, दैट इज़ BA जनरल, एंड उसके थर्ड ईयर का सब्जेक्ट है ये, दैट इज़ BPSE-142 इज़ द सब्जेक्ट कोड एंड सब्जेक्ट इज़ इंडियाज़ फॉरेन पॉलिसी इन अ ग्लोबलाइजिंग वर्ल्ड। तो इसके हम सॉल्व आंसर्स लेंगे इन क्वेश्चंस के, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। So this assignment is of 100 marks and it's divided into 3 parts. और फर्स्ट पार्ट है जो दैट इज़ ऑफ 20 मार्क्स ईच, देन सेकंड में 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि हैं 10 मार्क्स ईच, एंड थर्ड में देयर आर 5 क्वेश्चंस, दे आर 6 मार्क्स ईच. So let's move to the first question. So before continuing the video, make sure you match your subject code, that is BPSE-142, और ये थर्ड ईयर के लिए है जो कि BA इन जनरल कर रहे हैं, BAG कोर्स है जिनका, फॉर दी थर्ड ईयर सब्जेक्ट है ये, इंडियाज़ फॉरेन पॉलिसी इन अ ग्लोबलाइजिंग वर्ल्ड. Okay, so here is our first question. Examine the continuity and change in Indian foreign policy post 1991. So 1991 के बाद इंडिया की फॉरेन पॉलिसी में क्या चेंजेस आए हैं वो बताने हैं हमें. And this question is of 20 marks, so make sure you write about 4 to 5 pages. And before writing your answer, make sure कि आप अपनी A4 size sheet पे both the side left and right you may draw margins, not much broad but yeah little मतलब narrow margins you have to draw to make your answer look presentable. So you'll have to write introduction firstly, and then you'll write about continuity. Here the subheadings are non-alignment, peaceful coexistence, focus on development, and then you'll write about the changes क्या क्या आए हैं. Economic liberalization and global integration, shift from non-alignment to multi-alignment, look east policy, nuclearization, rise of pragmatism, and then you'll write about the conclusion. Coming to second question, examine the nature of India-Russia relations during the Cold War. So Cold War जब चल रहा था तो इंडिया रशिया की relations कैसे थे, what all happened during that time. So ये तो सबको पता है कि इंडिया was like non-alignment पे फोकस कर रहा था और उन्होंने रशिया का साथ नहीं दिया था. So इंडिया was like not इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं हुआ था इंडिया कोल्ड वॉर में, वो बस दूर से बैठा, वॉज एक नॉन अलाइनमेंट का ग्रुप बना लिया था और भी कंट्रीज आ गई थी उसमें, देन दे लेटर ऑन जॉइन. इंडिया वॉज जस्ट दूर से बैठ के देख रहा था वो. So the relationship between India and Russia during the Cold War was a bit complex and multifaceted, because Russia was expecting that we will be favoring them, but that didn't happen. So some ideologies and political alignment, I talked about non-alignment, then shared anti-colonial stance. इससे हमारे relations पे भी like with Russia there was some like conflict हो गया था. Socialist learnings, then economic cooperation, trade and aid, rupee-ruble trade, military cooperation, arms supply, technology transfer, diplomatic support. Then what were the challenges and nuisances? Balancing act, Sino-Soviet relations, internal debates, and then conclusion. So you can take screenshot of these answers, or if you want PDF then you can comment below the video. Or you can also pause the video and then write down your answers. These are really good and well structured and well framed answers. You'll definitely get high marks. So third question here we have is, discuss the strategic significance of border issues in India's foreign policy. तो जो इंडिया की फॉरेन पॉलिसी थी उसमें बॉर्डर इशूज़ कुछ थे, so what were those? Write about it. Territorial integrity and national security, then regional stability, geopolitical influence, economic development, diplomatic relations, and then conclusion. So this question, third question is of 10 marks, so you can write around 3 pages, 3.5, that's enough. So fourth question here we have is, examine the India-China relations. They have always been complex and complicated till now. So yeah, then you'll write about the historical review, border conflict, current state, border issues, economic ties, strategic competition, areas of cooperation, then key challenges, क्या क्या challenges face करने पड़े, security concerns, China का relationship with Pakistan, trade imbalance, border dispute, future outlook क्या है कि future में what we are looking for it, managing competition, dialogue and engagement, focus on cooperation. Okay, so our fifth question is, critically analyze the changing objectives of India's foreign policy after the Cold War. इंडिया की फॉरेन पॉलिसी कोल्ड वॉर के बाद कैसे चेंज हुई थी. So here is the answer: liberalization, non-alignment, regional and global engagement, strategic partnerships, diversification, strategic autonomy. Challenges or criticisms were like balancing act, neighborhood challenges. Then we have our sixth question, that is Kargil War. You have to write short note in around It's of 6 marks, so you can write about 1.5 page. That's more than enough. So each is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 है सारे क्वेश्चन 6 marks के हैं. You have to write about 1.5 pages each, and that's it. The Kargil body will write about short note on Kargil war. What was it? What happened? So background के बारे में लिखेंगे. Then we'll write about the war, and then what was the outcome और उसकी significance क्या थी. It's regarded as a very significant war in our history. Then we have 7th question. New great game in Central Asia. उसके क्या key players थे? That were China, Russia, US. What were the factors? They were like energy resources, geopolitical location, security concern. Areas of competition थे जैसे कि economic influence, political influence, military presence. Challenges क्या है? Regional stability, external interference, balancing act, overall. Then we'll write about the conclusion. Then we have here question number 8, Gujarat Doctrine. So उसके कुछ principles थे. They were non-reciprocity, no use of territory against neighbors, no interference in internal affair, respect for territorial integrity and sovereignty, peaceful settlement of disputes. Then here is our 9th question, that is you have to write a note on Belt and Road Initiatives. So Belt and Road Initiative stands for BRI. This is global infrastructure. ये एक प्रोजेक्ट था जो कि चाइना ने लॉन्च किया था in the year 2013. So this project was aimed at connect करने के लिए एशिया को with Europe and Africa. जो दो मेन रूट्स थे इसके वो थे सिल्क रोड इकोनॉमिक बेल्ट. सिल्क रोड वी ऑल आर अवेयर अबाउट इट. देन सेकेंड इज मैरीटाइम सिल्क रोड. सो उसके कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स थे. नेक्स्ट आवर 10th question is सागर. So Sagar is an abbreviation used for security and growth for all in the region. This is the full form, and this was a scheme which was launched by India, जो कि हमारे इंडियन ओशन की सिक्योरिटी के लिए थी. इंडियन ओशन का जो रीजन है उसके लिए this was launched in 2015 to foster peace, stability, prosperity. And then these were the key aspects of Sagar: maritime security, economic cooperation, capacity building, inclusiveness, sustainable development, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you want that I should provide you any other subject solved assignment of Ignou, so please mention your subject code in the comments below. Thank you.